Hi, I'm Guy Manthel, Technical Product Manager for Knauf Insulation. Today we're on site with Classic Builders and the team at Install Solutions. We're here to show you the install of Eco Sealing Insulation so you can achieve the new H1 requirements. We're going to follow the installation of two methods. Firstly, a double layer system that uses a 110mm initial layer and a 180mm second layer. And secondly, the install of an R7 single layer system. We're also going to demonstrate two methods of treating the perimeter. Firstly, the use of an uncompressed perimeter batt, and secondly, the R7 product compressed into the eaves with the use of a barrier to provide the required separation. Okay, so here we are installing the double layer system into approximately 90 square metres. The perimeter has already been completed and will be consistent over both the double and the single layer systems. It's important to note that we are installing the double layer in a cross-hatched method, which is designed to close off the thermal bridging through the timbers. Here we are installing the single layer system using the Eco Insulation R7 product. It's important to note that the system has a design density to enable the product to knit around the timbers, pipes and cables. This is without any need for any notching. The system creates a continuous layer with no thermal bridging. The following is an example of the R7 product knitting around the ceiling timbers. This supports the fact that this product doesn't require any further notching. Here's an example of the uncompressed perimeter batt being installed to maintain the required 25mm separation. The product has a thermal value designed to comply with the H1 eave requirements. The product is manufactured at 110mm to fit into the eaves without the need for a barrier. Depending on the location of the roofing batting, you may need to trim a section over the top plate to maintain the ventilation from the eaves. Here's an example of the R7 being compressed into the eaves, using a perimeter barrier. This method maintains the separation and ventilation requirements and means that you only have to use one insulation product. Okay, so here we are at the end of the demonstration. We've successfully installed the R7 single layer and the double layer system.
My choice would be the single layer. The secondary layer is really difficult to get into place and guarantee a full tight fit of all the joints putting together. And anything that gets in the way, I'm dragging it through and then fighting to get it over and between any joist. Where with the single, I can just push it right the way through. It fills either side, covers everything.
Both methods achieved H1 compliance. However, as expected, the single layer was faster and was preferred by the installer. Both systems can use either the perimeter batt or the barrier to achieve compliance at the eaves. A big thank you to the participants of the case study today, Classic Builders, Install Solutions and Eco Insulation. For more information on Eco Insulation products, please visit our website.